title of his speech is Toastmasters Journey. Madam Timer, he's requesting 5 to 7 minutes. Please welcome Toastmaster Boo Wan.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and distinguished guests. Have you ever been in this type of situation? Do you have fear of public speaking? Many of us face this type of situation. And would you like to be Olympic performer in public speaking and communication? I think most of all of us want to be Olympic performer in communication and public speaking. And I am going to share the information and resources that will help all of us to become Olympic performer in communication and leadership. So basically I am going to talk about the Toastmasters International Organization, what it provides us. And this is the basically Toastmasters started in 1924 by Ralph C. Esmetry. And the mission was to provide a supportive environment to improve our public speaking and leadership skills. And many people have taken advantage of this, and they are great speaker and leader. So hierarchy is, first you have to be as a guest, you attend as a guest, become member, then clubs, area, division, districts, regions, board of directors, and then Toastmaster International World Headquarters. So in each level there are some roles. Like in clubs we have leadership roles like president, vice president education, vice president membership, and so many. So those, if you are going to take those roles, that helps you improve your leadership skill. Toastmaster International organization has educational program and leadership program. So for tops of communication track. So when new members joins, they get 2 manuals like this. One leadership and one communication manual. Once you complete 10 speech from communication manual, CC manual, you become competent communicator. And once you complete it, you get a certificate from Toastmaster International like this. So this is award from Toastmaster International to ensure that you have achieved certain things and your title become like competent communicator. And this is for when you are taking roles in club, in each meeting, timer's role, evaluator role, or roles that you can track here. And once you complete this, there are guidelines. There are 10 projects here also, and if you complete this, you will get competent leadership certificates from Toastmaster International Organization. So second, in communication track, first is competent communicator. Once you complete the communication, competent communicator, you are eligible for ACB, Advanced Communicator Bronze. In that, after CC, there are 15 manuals that Toastmaster International provides, and for each ACB, ACS, or ACG, you have to complete 2 manuals. There will be 5 speech in each manual. So basically, you have to complete 10 speech, and based on your career orientation or interest, you can pick up those 2 manuals, complete, and receive certificate and become ACB, ACS, ACG. And parallel to communication track, you can continue leadership track. So once you complete competent leadership, you are eligible for advanced leadership bronze, and then advanced leadership silver, and you have to take certain roles, fulfill it, and then you will receive the certificate from Toastmaster International. Once you complete the communication track and leadership track, you will be titled as Distinguished Toastmaster, DTM. So this is wonderful education program from Toastmaster International, and that helps people to become Olympic performer. In club level, there are some leadership roles like speaker. Basically, when you are a speaker, you will get credit for leadership as well as for communication. It helps you to complete your project in communication track, and as well as you can get credit for your leadership skill. And this is the body structure of club level: speech, evaluation, table topics. Table topics helps you to improve your impromptu skills, thinking on your feet. And in club, these are the club officers' role: president, VP, VPE, VPM, VP relationship, secretary, treasurer, sergeant at arms. So these roles helps improve your leadership skills. Apart from regular meeting that we have in our club, there is contest. So Toastmaster International provides 5 types of contest: international speech, evaluation, humorous speech, table topics, tall tales. Only international speech go beyond district level. So all evaluation, humorous speech, table topics, tall tales, that goes till district level. And for international speech, there will be one after district level. There will be semi-final and then championship of public speaking, and that happens in spring. So you can participate in contest, and then you will participate at club level, district level, division level, and then finally, if you can want, you can. If you deserve, you can go to the final. Apart from individuals, so individuals get credit for public when you deliver speech or take certain roles at club. There is one program called DCP, Distinguished Club Program Goals, and club also get credit for performing certain tasks. So there are 10 tasks for this, and some are related to membership, some are related to training, some are related to administration. So here, if you complete 5 goals out of these 10, you club will be awarded as Distinguished Club. If club completes 7 goals, club will be selected Distinguished Club, and if you complete at least 9, then club will be awarded as President Distinguished Club. And it's very sequential, and it happens every year. So you have club has 1 year time to complete these 10 tasks. So there are well-structured program provided by Toastmaster International, and it's up to us to take advantage and become better leader and better speaker. Over to the Toastmaster.